Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Jordan Kristina here. Today's video, I have a 2-in-1 for you guys, showing you how I did these super cute Dutch box braids, then transitioned from the box braids to straightening my hair for the first time in 3 years. If you're ready, let's get into this video. Alright, so for my Dutch box braids, I decided that I wanted to pre-part the sections before I start braiding, and I'm also going to be putting some rubber bands on each section to, help keep the parts looking good. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm parting out medium to jumbo size sections, and I'm using my Shine and Jam to help smooth out the sections, and also my Africa's Best Super Grow to help moisturize my hair. And I like to use my comb to help me mold the section before I put the rubber band on. And then I put the rubber band on and move on to the next section. So very simple and easy. I've got a mirror in front of me and behind me to help keep my parts looking clean and crisp. So I pre-parted out 18 sections. There's 2 at the bottom, then there's 6 on the second row, also 6 on the third row, and then at the very top there's 4. And for those that are new to my channel, when I do braids, these 2 products are my tried and true, the Africa's Best Super Grow and the Shine and Jam I just used on my hair. Now I'm ready to braid. It's pretty late at night. The hair that I'm using is Afrelle, and it's in the color T1B27. It has this really pretty braid. Here, let me show you. This is what it looks like in the package. And then I'm going to show y'all what it looks like out the package. You see it's 56 inches. This is what it looks like out the package. Super duper cute. It's going to be a different look for me. If you've seen all of my past videos, I pretty much just use either 1B or jet black, the color 1. So we changing it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the difference between these Dutch braids and the box braids that I've previously done on my channel is that in one section, I'm gonna be creating 2 braids. So that's why I pre-parted my hair and also used the rubber bands so that I can create 2 braids in one section. So I'm gonna start off by splitting my hair in half in this section, and I'm going to use my Shine and Jam to help smooth out my hair. And from there, I'm going to start by braiding my natural hair. I braid down about 5 full rotations before I add in my first piece of braiding hair. And throughout the braid, I add about 3 to 4 pieces of braiding hair. I braid my hair all the way down, and from there, that's pretty much it. I move on to the next piece in that section. So here's what this section looks like with the Dutch braids. I think it's cute, unique, and they also help the braid style look a little bit fuller. So I did the Dutch braid method for a majority of my hair, and the top 4 sections I had to complete them as traditional knotless braids. So yeah, time didn't permit. I was really rushing to get this hairstyle done since I was going on vacation the next morning, and I started this hairstyle pretty late the night before. But I hope you get the gist of how to do the Dutch braid hairstyle. So it's 2 weeks later and the braids are still looking good, a little bit frizzy, but I'm just ready to take down this hairstyle and try out a new hairstyle. So when I take down my braids, I like to cut them down a little bit just to help the takedown process go by a little bit quicker. So I'll cut them at a length where I know my hair does not stop. And from there, I just start taking down my braids. And once all of the braiding hair is taken out, I like to finger detangle versus going in with a comb, just to be a little bit more gentle to my hair. There's a lot of product and buildup in the roots, so it's just easier for me to finger detangle. All of the braids are out, so now I'm gonna detangle my hair, and I like to use a wide tooth comb and to part my hair off in 4 sections just to make the process a little bit easier. So I'm gonna start by detangling my hair from the bottom and moving my way up all the way to the roots. And once that section is done, I put it away in a 2-strand twist and move on to the next section. The products I'm using to straighten my hair is the Keratin Reconstructing Shampoo, Conditioner, Leave-In Conditioner, and the Silk Infusion. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair. So now I'm working the leave-in conditioner through my hair. Here I have about 6 sections in my hair just to make the process a little bit easier. And I'm working the product through my hair with a wide tooth comb. Once that section is done, I'm putting it back into a 2-strand twist, and I'm gonna move on to the next section. Next, I'm going to use my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protect Spray before I blow dry and straighten my hair to help protect my hair from the heat. I'm using my Infiniti Pro by ConAir to straighten my hair, and I'm going to start by working in small sections and work my way up from there. So I like to get my roots straightened first, so I'll take my straightener and do about 1 to 2 passes until my roots are straight. And then I will take my rat tail comb to do the chase method and take the straightener down the rest of my hair about 1 to 2 passes. So I'm gonna let you guys watch from here until my hair is fully straightened. Look at here, y'all. My hair is fully straightened. It has been at least 3 years since I've straightened my hair like this, and it feels good, y'all. But I'm not done yet. I'm sure you can tell from the previous clips that my ends are looking a little bit rough. So I'm going to go on with my trimming scissors to clean up my ends and give my hair a little bit more movement. Alright, so now I'm going to take my straightener and I'm going to do a little bump at the end of my hair. This is like my finishing touch to give a little bit of body and movement to my hair. Next, I'm going to use my silk infusion and work that into my hair. Once that's done, I'm going to wrap my hair up and get ready for bed, y'all. Grand reveal tomorrow morning. Rise and shine, y'all. Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day. And this is what my hair is looking like after I take it down from being wrapped. So one last step that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Edin 24-hour edge tamer just to lay my edges down a little bit. And that is it for this hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video watching my transformation from braids to straight hair. It's such a cute, refreshing hairstyle, especially as we're moving into the new year. I wish you all blessings and prosperity in the year 2023. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out, guys.